Record. YouTube wanna say up and running easy. The girls that wanna know the baby and me go the girls and get crazy. I don't know. Like, comments, share, subscribe. The most important thing. You see me I say subscribe and share. Alright, here what happened here now. A long time I not do no video, you know, you see me. But right now me all day at work and you don't know things set. Me just pass through a couple minutes. I don't know things set. Depend on my lunchtime to expire, you know, so you don't know. But yo, on a serious note, what really I go on to Jamaica? You see me I say, what really I go on to Jamaica? Me can't digest them thing of blood. You see me I say, cause what me see a little pattern a go on. You see me I say, me see a pattern a go on. You know, certain killing is just a pattern. You see me I say, cause when they slap a father fall. You see me I say, yeah, man have little fun and them just come through and just kill him man like that. You see me I say, so I have an idea. You see, me not do no video cause me didn't pick up nothing. You see me I say, so me just a pick up. As somebody close to him done him man, you know. You see me I say, as somebody close line up that. But I have an idea, I'm sure nothing you know. I want to realize what go on. You see, a pattern what go on. You see me I say, the man them a kill anybody where can do something for the next one and help the next one, and them man them a kill. You see pattern I may show you. So I have an idea. It's like Jamaican a good on. You see me I say, Jamaican a good on a wicked this way. You see me, cause if me rich you know, me can't go make a man know say me rich. Cause me can't go help a man. Because me help a man and go said man them me help go come back and kill me. So right now that better me just do like me no rich and do like me no nothing to blood clot. So me I say, or you know, go back to Jamaica then go somewhere else. You see me I deal with. And so me I look upon it right now. Cause if a man big and I do something, you see me I say, if a man big and I do something, you don't get rid of him. See Dudus there, then get rid of Dudus, you know, but I have an idea one different way. That go be a different video still, but I have an idea. A man when they do things, said way. You see me I say, I don't know everything when they go on with, but them say I'm a bad man or whatsoever still. But what I notice what go on, any man where they do something for certain people, like they put on some pot on the fire. You see me I say, then get rid of them. You see me I say, and the trend they not look right. You see me I say, I don't like the pattern there. I swear to God in heaven. You see me I say, so I young you to know for unite, brethren. I don't do no senseless killing. You see me I say. So that me come for talk about right now. I don't even want to stay too long on the topic here still. You see me I say, I don't want to do no senseless killing. You see me I say, I want the eye them just think about what them do first. You see me I deal with. And make we unite and you see me I say uplift for one another. You see me I say, cause we can't just kill out with one another. Every man will look great to kill them and then the next set of people that can take over our country, white and China and Indian and everybody else. And we, you know, instead of we rise, we are trying to kill one another. With a whole of meds, and rise. You see me I say, yeah man, whole of meds and rise man. You see me I say, so yo, no just like and share now, because I'm not too long for no one. I swear to God, because I'm not even in a good mood right now. You see me I say, when I like and share, subscribe. You don't know, Jamaica, I love you know. You see me I say, I want to see me young youth them rise up man. Rise up against poverty and rise up against negativeness. You see me and evilness. You see me I make we have some love for one another. You see me I say, sometime I have to swallow your spit dog. You see me I say, I make certain things go on. You see me I say, yo, no share that video, yeah. I swear. One love. I'm out.